Threads has just come out, and it is now the quickest app ever to get to 1 million users, as well as 10 million users within 24 hours of coming out. Is it a fad? Is it somewhere that you need to take really serious? Who knows? But right now, we're just going to be talking about how to grow a following on Threads for the information that we know right now. So the first tip to growing on Threads is that you always want to use keywords in your post. So if I am trying to grow in the entrepreneur space, I always want to be using like marketing, entrepreneur, social media, Instagram. All of those words need to be within my post because there are now no such thing as hashtags. So you can't just hashtag the post to let the app know what it's about. The only way they could possibly know what it's about is because they either know what type of account you are from your Instagram, they know generally what type of content you post, or the post itself has keywords in it. So I'm pretty positive this is going to be a big part of it because they want to make sure that they are pushing out relevant content to people. But with no hashtags, it is just going to be up to their algorithms to decipher what the post is about from the actual text. So make sure you are always using keywords. The second tip is that you're going to want to tag big accounts. If you do tags of some of the bigger accounts that are in your market and at least slightly relevant, that will get you some extra exposure. The other thing that you can do is what is called a quote post. So let's say I find a post from my buddy Austin here who has 21.8 thousand followers already, and I want to get in touch with his audience. So I want a way to get in front of his audience. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to find a post that's doing well from him. So that one has 119 likes. That might be winning. We got 102 likes there, 89. Here's 122 right here. Or actually, let's do this 142 likes one. So was Threads the first app anyone else checked this morning or just me? What I could do is click on essentially this retweet button, and you can either repost it, and if you click on that, it's just going to instantly repost it on your feed, nothing else happening. Or I could click quote, where I can share my thoughts on that post. So I could say, nope, it wasn't just you. And I'll just like do a laughy, right? So it's better if I actually like give my 2 cents and I have this opportunity to actually demonstrate my expertise doing a quote post. But just for the sake of getting this out, I'm going to do that. And what that is going to do is, because that is one of his more successful posts, it's going to get in front of pretty much all the people who liked that post. And since he is in my market, those are people that I actually want to get in front of. So doing quote posts of people who have a large following that are in your market from a post of theirs that is doing really well is the third growth tip. And for the fourth growth tip, what you're going to want to do is change your bio. It should not be the same as your Instagram bio. You'll probably import it over, but you'll want to make it a little bit different. I just have a credibility statement, and then I tell them what kind of free value they can expect to get from my account. And if you just cover those two psychologies, especially if you're a personal brand, then that is going to cover the main two things that people need to know before they would follow you. What kind of value am I going to be getting? And why would I want to even be getting this value from you? So that's why I have this credibility statement. So it says, host of the Social Media Entrepreneurs Podcast, 1.7 million plus downloads. Follow for business inspiration and social media tactics. So you can just straight up say follow for these reasons. Just having a bio structured that lets people know what they're going to be getting is going to rapidly increase your follower conversion ratio of people who actually make it to your account. In very few circumstances will your Threads bio be exactly as your Instagram bio is, because now that it's just a text app, you'll probably be posting differently than you would on Instagram just naturally, although it looks like you can post 9:16 videos. Who knows what it will turn into? This is the first day and everyone is just on a posting frenzy that is in my niche. So subscribe for more videos and stay tuned, because I will be updating this video when it's not day one anymore. But at least for day one, those are the 4 things that we know of right now are going to be great strategies for you to grow that initial following. So get out there, go follow me, and I'll talk to you soon.